Vibe coding is making engineers worse, and here's why. Okay, imagine this. You're coding, you write something, it works, and that feeling, that dopamine hit is insane. Then you hit a bug, everything falls apart. Your happiness just evaporates. But then you solve it. That feeling is even better than before. That loop, that's what built every great engineer for the last 30 years. But vibe coding is completely destroys that. Here is what I want you to understand. Vibe coding isn't just a shortcut. It's replacing that steady, healthy reward system in your brain with something else entirely. I need you to really think about where you've seen that before. Slot machines, social media, they are literally the most addictive systems ever designed by humans. And when you are vibe coding, you are not coding anymore. You are gambling. Let me show you exactly how this works. You type a prompt, you want a feature built, Claude one-shots that feature. First try, you are happy, you are feeling good. Then you remember, wait, I need authentication too. So you ask for that. And what happens? Claude starts hallucinating. Your entire mood shifts. You want to throw your computer out of the window. So you tweak the prompt, you try again, slowly, painfully, it gets built. It's not even that good, but honestly, you are just done with it, you move on. But here is the problem that nobody talks about. While all of this is happening, you are sacrificing something crucial: your mental model, your internal intuition. You are slowly starting to feel like you don't understand your own code base anymore. And that feeling, that creepy realization that you've lost control, that's the warning sign. But here is what's crazy. Bad vibe coding isn't random. That happens once. It's not a fluke. It's a slow parasitic pattern, and it gets worse over time. It starts small. You use AI to write boilerplates to save time, and honestly, I recommend that. That's good. But then you start using it when you get stuck on a problem. Then comes the final stage, the one we've all experienced, and I mean all of us. You are prompting entire code bases into existence. Your whole application is built by Claude, and you don't understand any of it anymore. Now, here's the thing that trips people up. Using AI in coding is absolutely 100% a good thing. The question isn't whether to use it. The question is how you use it. And I want you to think about this differently. Imagine you get a one-on-one coding session with John Carmack. You know, that senior developer. The guy who can literally write any program in assembly if he wants to. An insanely talented developer. Now, let's say you want to build something complex with him. Something like an After Effects clone. A massive, complicated piece of software. Will you just say, John Carmack, write After Effects, but then leave whilst he codes it? Will you just take the finished product and ship it? Obviously not. You'll be asking him questions the entire time. Why did you write this in this way? What was your thinking here? How will you handle this edge case? You'll be understanding his process. You'll be learning why he makes decisions. That's how you actually get better. That's exactly how you need to use AI right now if you want to stay relevant and improve as an engineer instead of getting worse. But here is what happens when you don't do this. You become what I call an AI brain rot developer. And this is real. It manifests as a complete lack of drive to work on personal projects. You stop learning low-level skills, memory management gone, optimization gone, and the scary part, the skills that actually make things work itself, those are slowly disappearing, which means the entire foundation of software is getting weaker and nobody is talking about it. But it even gets worse than that. Vibe coding doesn't just destroy your skills, it creates what I call silent bugs, edge cases that fail silently. You don't even know until millions of users who hit your API at the same time. And there is the most dangerous thing of all: security flaws, passwords that aren't hashed, sensitive data just sitting there exposed, memory leaks, vulnerabilities that hackers exploit in seconds. You built it without understanding it, so you can't even fix it and defend your software. So here is the real thing about the future. It doesn't belong to the people who just vibe code everything. It belongs to the engineers who can fluidly easily move between both worlds. The ones who can use the speed of AI for ideation, but keep the rigor of real engineering for things that actually matter, the things that last. Those who surrender entirely to the vibes. They are not building software anymore. They are prompting themselves into absolute obsolescence. Thanks for watching this video and understanding this important message of mine. See you in the next video.